The LWQ Electric Pressure Washer 4500 offers a powerful cleaning performance with a maximum pressure of 4,500 pounds per square inch and a flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute, making it suitable for a variety of surfaces. It comes with 4 quick-connect metal nozzles and a foam cannon, providing versatility in cleaning tasks from driveways to cars and patios. The washer is designed for user convenience with a 23-foot hose and a 36-foot power cord, allowing for extensive reach and easy maneuverability. Storage is made simple with the included power cord hook and nozzle holder, ensuring that everything stays organized and accessible. This pressure washer is not only effective, but also environmentally friendly, using high-pressure water flow to clean efficiently while conserving water and energy. Its compact design and anti-tipping features add to its stability and ease of use, making it a reliable choice for home cleaning needs.